Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your data and preparing the phone, so backup apps and media now. Once done, enable Install Unknown Apps and USB debugging. This permits non-play installs and advanced theming. Next, install an iOS-style launcher, an icon pack, an iOS lock screen app, plus a control center replica. These replace visuals and quick settings. Make sure to grant permissions when requested, because the theme apps need file and overlay access. This initial setup lets you modify the UI safely and quickly. Once the launcher and core apps are installed, apply the icon pack and configure the home grid to match iPhone spacing. Hide labels for cleaner icons. Then configure the Control Center app. Assign Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness, and rotation toggles, and map swipe gestures to open it. Add iOS-style widgets and replace the lock screen app, making sure notification permissions are enabled so banners behave correctly. Also set matching ringtones and system fonts. Small animation and developer animation scale tweaks make You finish by setting the new launcher as the default home app and removing or disabling conflicting apps. Then polish animations, gesture sensitivity, and notification priority so alerts mirror iPhone behavior. Test Do Not Disturb and lock screen shortcuts. If things go wrong, clear the app cache first, then reinstall the theme package or restore your backup. This fixes overlay and permission conflicts most of the time. Finally, keep one backup image and note which apps you installed, because full parity with iPhone hardware is not possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.